What's good? Word up. It's your girl Scarlett here with Forex Sniper School. Gonna do a quick weekly breakdown of some things that I'm paying attention to for the upcoming week. Um, you guys already know if I don't really see a lot of intraday moves for the next couple of days pulling up, then I usually just call like long-term plays. Obviously, you got to know how to trade them. Notification, just because I'm studying for my Series 7. Past results do not dictate future success. Trading requires a lot of risk. Okay, and if you can, please make sure that you smash that like button. If this is something that definitely helps you, or these weekly videos and updates helps you, the like button really helps our channel get seen on the algorithm. So I really need you guys to like, and most importantly, I need you guys to comment, even if it's something that's just saying thank you for the information. That's something that really helps our channel grow, especially because we're not charging you for this. All right, cool. All right, so let's get to it. So taking a look at the DXY, overall, it's still bearish activity on the monthly. Weekly is bullish, so you have these two time frames kind of clashing with each other. Obviously, monthly is bigger, so I am anticipating this. I am anticipating the dollar dropping, like I told you guys. But and I simply believe that the dollar is going to drop because of everything going on with the coronavirus. I'm also paying attention to a lot of that news. I was already weary. Told my family, significant other, that I really wasn't feeling the whole opening. My students and stuff like that, I told them I wasn't feeling the opening up that they're doing. Trying to open up too soon for the economy is going to get a lot of people sick, and that's going to make a lot of governors of different states say, we got to shut this back down. All right, which is already something that's kind of happening right now. So I'm expecting the economy to take a little bit of a hit, as well as the fact that our stocks like US 30, SPX, I'm sorry, what the hell is going on? I can't think today. NAS 100, SPX 500, stuff like that. Like the fact that those are like rising, and the banks are kind of like lowering their activity and not really trying to do too much work, and they're also trying to do another stimulus pack. That's all like red flag information. All right, all of that from an economic perspective is something that you got to be like, all right, something's off. Okay, so I am expecting the dollar to tank. Gold did kind of do like some consolidation, but I'm still expecting it to hit to the 1800 level or higher. Okay, um, daily we're still bullish. Okay, so we might still, price might get to this level, bounce off before it does a little bit of a break. 4 hours still bullish as well, and 1 hour, excuse me, is giving us some bullish. Let's see. We have a little bit of bullish activity here. I'm not really going to look to sell. So from a intraday perspective, okay, as long as this level right here is able to hold from the DXY, all right, I'm going to be looking for the dollar to rise a little bit for the upcoming week. But if this level is able to break, then I'm going to be looking for this to go bearish, okay? And I am anticipating this to go bearish. Please don't get it twisted, all right? Long term, but we still got to wait to see how this responds, and if it is in fact able to break below that, then we'll be looking for some sell opportunities. Okay, as far as US 30, okay, US 30, okay, we're holding at this level here, but the main thing, like I told you guys, I was expecting like to have a little bit of a correction wave. Monthly still bullish, weekly is bearish. In order for monthly to give me the plays I'm looking for, I am expecting some type of drop again. Daily is looking bullish as well. So I'm gonna, if 4 hour is able to break, then I'll be looking to take this down to roughly here, and then take it down even further to roughly this region right here. Okay, if it's able to hold, then obviously I'll be looking to take this up. Okay, but it all depends on what happens at this level, this price point, roughly right here, 25.035. Okay, we do have current momentum right now is showing small support breaks. So as of right now, we have short-term momentum showing sellers are in control. However, we do have this strong 4 hour level that was respected previously. Now, the more that this is tapped, the weaker it gets. So we've already tapped this once prior. So this will be the third touch that we're looking to see if it's going to be able to maintain. So just watch this accordingly, obviously, because you don't want to get faked out with like a candle like here and then it shoots up and then you're negative 800 pips. All right. So if you're scalping, you really got to be careful. Now for USD JPY. So I told you guys, I'm still expecting this to drop, but you got to take into consideration that 4 hours still bullish. There's a lot of chaotic activity that's going on right here. So if you're not skilled trading chaos, you shouldn't be trading USD JPY. I'm just keeping it a bean. I wouldn't recommend it. I was able to catch this drop, and I posted on the Forex Sniper School's Instagram page. I was able to catch this drop. Okay, had like 3 entries right in these wicks and a couple more pendings here to catch this down for the 100. This wick started happening, and I was like, all right, we got to get the fuck up out of here. Simply because we had a minor support level for daily, and that's why I wicked off of there. Had to jump out. All right. So even though you have a long term goal like daily and weekly, you still got to pay attention to what 4 hour and 1 hour have going on in the meantime, to see if their momentum is switching, or to see, locking your profits and things of that nature, especially when a chaotic condition is in play. And so with Japan having, I'm saying, Japan has this stuff going on. You got your trade wars and shit going on, the different tariffs. It's a lot of shit going on. So you really got to be heavily involved in what the news is telling you. Obviously, everything's really going to be technical based, but you also want to have the news to support it. It's always better to be as informed as possible. So I don't want anybody telling you that they only focus on news, or somebody that says that they only focus on technicals. You should be focusing on both equally. Okay. um and taking the time to freaking understand what the hell is going on. Like, don't just be like, oh, I don't understand what it means, so I'm just gonna remain ignorant. No, take your ass to like some websites. Google is a great resource to help explain some of the things that you might not understand. So stop being lazy as fuck. All right, so AU. All right, so AU overall is bullish on the monthly. Weekly, we have bearish activity. Daily, we have bullish activity. And I'm expecting a retracement. Okay. I'm expecting a retracement for daily. Simple. All right. 4 hour is going to give me some complexity, simply because daily is retracing, and it's a big ass retracement. So it's not going to move smoothly, and you're going against momentum. So whenever you're going against momentum, you can expect a lot of noise. Okay. So a few things that I'm definitely paying attention to is this level right here. Okay. Alongside with this point right here, minor little level of support. Okay. So really want to pay attention to this level. If we're able to break, then we're going to be looking for an opportunity to the downside, obviously. And we're going to be looking for that opportunity to get down to this point. All right, for the retracement for daily. Okay. 4 hour overall, from a structural perspective, is bearish as well. So that also helps me to believe that this level is successfully going to break to get down to the daily level that we're looking for. From an intraday perspective, which is, for the next upcoming days, if 4 hour is overall bearish, 1 hour is going to flow with that. Okay, like that's just how it goes. 4 hour is kind of doing some complexity movements. So I would wait for 4 hour to give me something solid first, and then I would try to attack on like 1 hour and 30 minute if I do see those opportunities. Okay. And let's see, let's go like GU. All right, so like GU, we currently have daily overall is in a chaotic type of condition overall. So basically, we do have this channel. I am interested to see what happens when we get to roughly if we're able to get to the 1.22384, right? Because this is all based on probabilities. I believe that we will be able to get there, but we do have to see. Looking at the daily time frame, we have some minor plays in play right now. Again, like I said, for 1 hour is going to do whatever 4 hour says. So me taking a look at 1 hour, 1 hour is also bearish. However, we are tapping on this daily level here, this daily zone. So we might have a retracement real quick before we're able to continue. So I would look for some opportunities to see if we can get a retracement. But you got to remember, anytime you're doing like a 1 hour retracement play when 4 hour is bearish, like it's not going to go that far. So if you do try to take a retracement play on 1 hour, you got to hold it close to the vest. Probably wouldn't be sleeping on that. Really would, get your pips and get the fuck out of there. But I'm overall still expecting this to get a little bit lower, maybe deeper into this zone or down here, to react off of this channel that we kind of have going on the 4 hour, so that we can get that reaction that we're looking for to go back bullish. Okay, I am expecting GU to go back bullish. Okay, just because I'm expecting the dollar to drop, and because gold is bullish. So if gold is going up, I'm expecting the dollar to decrease in value. Okay, like I said, gold. From gold's perspective, I'm expecting gold to get its ass up here. Simple. So it's still pushing, right? We had some fuckery going on where we had this consolidation range. We just broke out of this region right here. Okay, just broke out of that after we were in consolidation for roughly 56 goddamn days. All right, so I'm still expecting this to go up. 4 hour overall is in fact bullish as well. We had a little bit of a retracement, so we'll see if this support point is actually able to hold to push us higher here. If we're able to push higher, I am going to look for some type of retracement to continue catching this move. 1 hour successfully, as you see, bounced perfectly off my level. All right, was able to catch this region as well. Okay, so we have this level here, so we're just really gonna be paying attention to the 1779 level, and we're expecting that to get us to 1800s. Okay, so that's basically all that I have for gold. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. You can always, like I always tell you guys, if you're trying to get more education on Forex for free, take your ass to babypips.com. If you're trying to get a mentor, if there's somebody out there that you trust, make sure that they teach to your liking and that they have enough fucking time for you, because that's a factor. Or you can fuck with us. You can go to fxsniperschool.com if that's something that you want to do. But we gave you free options. We gave you a faster option. You don't have to come to us, but you can as well, because we do offer the services. It's up to you. All right. And it's also based on your budget, right? Because everybody's going through COVID and everybody has different financial situations. So you got to take that into consideration as well. I want to thank you guys again. Please like, comment, subscribe, helps us get more visuals. If this helped you, say thank you. This helped me out with blah, blah, blah. Also comment with where you're from and where you're watching this from. And yeah, share with your friends. All right. I want to thank you. It's your girl Scar. Oh, and by the way, somebody DM me and asked about the live streams. That was a test. But I do have a group that I'm working with on London session. So I'm thinking about, we're working out all the kinks and shit like that, but we will plan on doing live streams roughly at like 10:30 Pacific Standard Time, since I'm on the West Coast. So, hey, if you're subscribed, make sure that you hit that notification bell, so that when we do go live, if you so happen to be trading the London session, you can take a look. All right. So I appreciate all of you guys. I appreciate your time. Love, peace. Catch you guys on the next video.
Can you even tell me what the reason is? I don't even know why I bother keeping it. Only wanna see me on the weekend. I don't even understand.